don't think so. I don't think so. All right. What else we got here? What else we got here? A freaking. Oh no! Wait. Oh frick! It's the guy that drew me getting arrested by TSA. He animated me getting arrested by TSA. Smods! In the comment of his video, he said he was going to animate me at a what is it, a hot tub? What is? Can you let me know if Phil's watched this? Yes, I. This dude's trying to clip me, dude. Like, what the frick? I wrote no balls. Wait, I wrote this is not real. He said he was gonna like draw me in a hot spring if I don't know, and I said no balls at some point. And anyway, chat. It looks like he did it. It looks like he did it. It looks like he did it. Wait, yo! Blend Freak with the raid! Yeah, what up? W Raiders, hello! What up, what up, what up? Привет! Alright, let's see. Am I gonna regret this, chat? Am I gonna regret this, chat? Should we watch this or not? The hot spring, but it's filling. Smacker. 800 views 1 day ago? Oh, 900 views 2 days ago. Oh god. What is this? As always, if someone can give the timestamp to the reaction, I appreciate it a lot. And please don't hate me. What? Wait, what do you mean to hate you? I would never hate you. Unless... If the part 2's on Patreon, I'm not watching it. Oh god. Oh god. Alright, chat, we're gonna see what happened. We're gonna see. Let's effing get it. That's wholesome! 4991 Snackers HQ. Wrong. It's 2632 Snackers HQ. 6 even set. What? Yo, is that a body pillow? Why am I... Mods! That's not real. Chat, how crazy would it be if there's actually a Filipino body pill in circulation? Would I buy one? Probably not. Maybe. What is this? A briefcase that says not a bomb. What the frick? Okay. Yep. Yep. Wow, that is... Yo, am I jigging my arm? My pillow? Flat. Okay. That is... Okay. Yes, that's actually what my closet looks like. I'm not kidding. Wait. Yo, Philly! What is she doing? I was mean mugging the cam. Ha! Brushing my teeth! Oh, Philly, no balls. Wait, what the frick was that? Look, chat, here it is! Phil, you killed upcoming hot spring animation. To be honest, getting her uploaded regardless of consent. I wrote no balls. Oh, wait. Pause the video of a furry. I didn't say that. I'm not a furry. Oh, look at her go. Okay, really, bro? Like, really, dude? That's not necessary. Why do you always animate my tail wagging? Hot spring emission male. Bro, really? It's Fillion's big day off. What? Wait, no. Uh-oh. Hello? Wait, what? What? Why is this 18K? Thanks. Chat, smacker. At least he's not a smacker. He's wholesome. He's wholesome. See, you respect him. He would never. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah. And so do I. I know. I do feel bad. I'm so glad there was a subscribe button on the demonetization bot. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm getting emotional whiplash, bro. Jesus Christ. Is this what it feels like to get gaslit? Wait, size in chat? What? Why you leave? Why you leave? Dude, look at that. Chat, what'd you think? WL animation. WL animation. Don't worry, be happy. Says Vodka the Pivo. Bro's name is literally just Vodka. What the frick? This was a mistake. I'm sorry. Yo, Sai, you ready for some Monopoly? You ready for that junk, dude? It's gonna be sick nasty. It's gonna be sick nasty, dude. Alright. That was good. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, chat. Hey, listen, okay? An animation is an animation, and I love animations, okay? So, I'm just gonna say right now, dude, I thank you for animating me, you know, for me being your choice of cat girl to draw. I really appreciate it. Yeah. Anyway, alright, chat.